Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We noticed that so many people are teaching online right now. So maybe you are struggling to figure out the technology to bring what people are doing offline into online mode. In today's video, I would like to share with you how to create an interesting reading material for your future students. When you were in high school, you might get bored to see plain-looking reading worksheet which made you dislike reading. So I'm sure you don't want your students to experience the same thing. I believe that you are going to create a really nice-looking worksheet like this. Then, how can you create such a nice-looking worksheet? I think the answer is already predictable since most of you have been familiar with this design-related website, Canva. If you want to use Canva, you just need to head over to Google and you type in Canva. So let's click on the link where it will direct you to the website. Log in or sign up with your Google account. As you can see, you can use any of these pre-designed templates for your worksheet and customize them for your students. So for example, I'd like to choose the layout here. I click on that. Then I can go ahead and customize it for my class. So I change this to my class title. I can then change everything about it. So I go to this toolbar if I want to change the font, change the color, etc. I can also replace all of this with my contents for my course. Then, when you're done, you can click the arrow right here and download it as a PDF. You can choose standard for smaller file, or if you intend for your students to print it, you can do PDF print. Then hit download, and this is going to open up just like this, which looks pretty awesome. So the next thing we will do is actually make this fillable without even printing it. So when your students click on it, it can check off and they can also add their notes on the provided space. I'm going to show you how to do that. You can go to a website called pdfescape.com. Then you're going to choose your file and upload it here. Then what we are going to do is that we're going to click the form field and change this type here into checkbox and hit select. All you have to do is click here. And it's going to give you a little checkbox and you can resize this box here to fit your design. After that, you can right click on it and hit duplicate and you can continue going down the line. It's a little bit of work honestly, but it's kinda cool. Then you can adjust in order to make them checkable. Then you will make another part fillable by hitting the form field again and change the type into text paragraph and then hit select. Click over here under notes and you're going to drag this around and then pull the corners to fill the entire space. Okay, great. Okay, I'm just going to hit download by clicking this green button over here. So now, when your students open this up on their computer, they would simply come over here and be able to check this off. When they come over here, they can write here or take notes. So yeah, pretty cool, right? It may really come in handy for teachers out there. If you want to get free design worksheets, you can download them through the link in the description box down below. This is the end of the tutorial video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, please like this video by giving a thumb up. Don't forget to hit subscribe button to get more easy tech tutorial for teachers. And I'll see you soon with another video. Bye!